Today we're going to be making a quick and simple homemade pasta sauce with canned tomatoes. First, you want to chop half of a medium yellow onion. Then you want to smash, peel, and mince about 3 cloves of garlic. After that, you want to heat a saucepan on the stove, and once that saucepan is hot, you're going to add some extra virgin olive oil. After everything is heated up, you're going to add the onions, and then I like to add a pinch of sea salt just to help them sweat, and stir and leave for a couple minutes. After a couple minutes, when they begin to caramelize, you're going to add the garlic and saute for another couple minutes. Then you're going to add your jar of canned tomatoes. I like to squeeze them just to break them down a little bit. Then you're going to add about 2 teaspoons of tomato paste, stir that all together, and simmer for about 5 minutes. Then you're going to add about 3 fresh basil leaves, about a teaspoon of black pepper. I like to add a little bit of sugar because it rounds out the sauce and takes away some of the acidity. Stir all that together, and then you're going to add a Parmesan rind. Now I like to keep my leftover rinds in the freezer in a baggie so you can take them out and use them whenever you want. Add about an ounce of any good dry wine that you have on hand. I prefer Malbec, but a Cabernet Sauvignon or a Merlot will work just as well. Give that a stir. We're going to cook that for another 10 to 15 minutes. Next, we want to get our sauce to a desired consistency. We're going to be using an immersion blender, but if you don't have one, you can use a regular blender. Just make sure to cover it with a towel so you don't burn yourself if it splatters. If you like it chunky, don't blend it as long, but if you like it smoother, then you can blend it longer until you get the desired consistency. And there you have it. Thank you for watching.